Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a grid trading bot on Pionex, which is a great way to automate your crypto trading and earn passive income around the clock. To start on the Pionex app, open the app and tap Bot, then Create. Then select Spot Grid, pick your desired cryptocurrency, and you can either choose a copy strategy from influencers or AI strategies. Tap Copy Bot to continue. Next, configure the bot parameters if you want, enter your investment amount, and hit Confirm. That's it! Your bot is now set up and running. If you're using Pionex on the web, log in and go to Spot Trading, Trading Bot, Grid Trading Bot. Click Grid Trading Bot Create, select your crypto, pick a copy strategy, adjust parameters as needed, enter your investment amount, and click Create Bot. Your bot will start trading automatically based on the strategy you chose. Pionex also offers an AI strategy for beginners. The AI uses historical data to suggest the best grid parameters for current market conditions, analyzing trends over 7, 30, and 180 days. With the AI 2.0 strategy, you get better backtesting accuracy, higher profitability, and smart automatic adjustments to maximize gains. It even shows a maximum drawdown indicator so you can gauge the potential risk of your bot. Grid trading bots are perfect if you want automated trading without constantly watching the market. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more crypto tutorials like this one.